Hello, digital marketing enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving deep into the world of digital marketing strategies, discussing everything from the essential components to real world success stories and upcoming trends. Whether you are a marketing veteran or novice, this guide will equip you with valuable insights and practical tips to make your business online. I am leading business coach from India. I am looking forward to help your business growth. Please contact me. And also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's dive into the digital marketing strategies.
1. Understanding the essence of digital marketing strategy. First, let's clarify what a digital marketing strategy is. In simple terms, it's a plan that outlines how your business will achieve its marketing goals via online channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows for precise targeting, real-time adjustments, and measurable results. 2. Key components of a successful digital marketing strategy. A successful digital marketing strategy isn't just about having a great website or being active on social media. It encompasses several key components, including SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and PPC advertising. By effectively combining these elements, you can create a powerful digital marketing strategy. 3. Step-by-step guide to developing a digital marketing strategy. But how do you create an effective digital marketing strategy? Start by defining your marketing objectives, understand your target audience, and choose the right channels and tactics. It's a systematic approach that requires careful planning and execution. 4. Importance of SEO in your digital marketing strategy. Now, let's focus on SEO or search engine optimization. SEO plays a crucial role in your digital marketing strategy as it improves your website's visibility on search engines. And who wouldn't want to appear on the first page of Google, right? 5. The role of content marketing in a digital marketing strategy. Next up is content marketing. Providing high-quality, relevant content not only enhances your SEO, but also builds your brand reputation and fosters relationships with your customers. 6. Leveraging social media in your digital marketing strategy. Let's not forget about social media. With billions of users worldwide, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer a huge potential audience for your business. 7. Email marketing as a powerful digital marketing strategy. And then we have email marketing, an often underappreciated powerhouse in digital marketing. When done right, email marketing can offer a fantastic ROI. 8. Harnessing the power of PPC in your digital marketing strategy. Another vital component of your strategy is pay-per-click or PPC advertising. It's a form of advertising where you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Pretty neat, right? 9. Analyzing and adapting your digital marketing strategy. But having all these strategies in place isn't enough. You need to continually analyze your digital marketing strategy and make necessary adjustments. Regular analysis ensures your strategy remains effective and relevant. 10. Digital marketing strategy case studies. To help illustrate, let's look at some real-world examples of successful digital marketing strategies. We have exciting cases from brands like Airbnb, Domino's. These success stories can provide inspiration and valuable lessons. Airbnb has harnessed the power of user-generated content, UGC, in a highly effective manner. Recognizing that real experiences from guests and hosts make for compelling stories, Airbnb began encouraging users to share their unique stories and photos under the hashtag Airbnb. These stories ranged from friendly encounters with hosts to unique properties and unforgettable experiences in different cities. Airbnb then shares these posts on their own social media channels, including Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This approach not only provides Airbnb with an abundance of authentic, cost-effective content but also creates a community of engaged users. It gives potential customers a glimpse of what to expect from an Airbnb experience and helps build trust in the brand. Next, Domino's Pizza understands the importance of customer convenience in the digital era. As part of their digital marketing strategy, they launched the Domino's Easy Order service. This innovative system allows customers to order a pizza in a matter of seconds, using various platforms such as Twitter, Facebook Messenger, and even by just texting a pizza emoji. They also integrated voice-activated systems like Amazon Echo and Google Home into their ordering process. A user simply has to say, "Alexa, order Domino's," and their favorite pizza will be on its way. Domino's Easy Order service not only simplifies the ordering process but also puts the brand at the forefront of digital innovation. The seamless user experience provided by the service has significantly boosted online sales and increased customer loyalty. These case studies are examples of how understanding your audience and leveraging current technologies can lead to powerful digital marketing strategies. They demonstrate the impact of creating user-centric experiences and highlight the power of convenience and community engagement in the digital world. Remember, at its core, digital marketing is about connecting with your audience. By understanding them and providing value, you can build lasting relationships. Here's to your success in the digital world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time.